Are you looking for the best record cleaning machines in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best record cleaning machines that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Record Washer System MKII by Spin Clean. Reigning at the top position is the Record Washer System MKII. This machine by Spin Clean has been around since 1975 and has earned a reputation for its ease of use. Compatible with almost all vinyl types, you can trust this unit to get your job done effectively. For starters, we were impressed with the positive customer feedback. The manual cleaning system is meant for deep cleaning both sides of the record, thereby improving its quality. Moreover, the compact design allows you to store it in the most congested spaces. What makes this record cleaner highly effective is its alcohol-free cleaning fluid that brings out stubborn dirt from deep within the grooves. The accumulated debris settles on the bottom of the sink and doesn't transfer onto your precious LPs and 45s. All you have to do is dilute the liquid at the base of the sink and insert the record. Manually rotate it thrice, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Once done, dry it out using the reusable drying towel that's included in the kit. The premium grade brushes visibly remove fingerprints and static. Up next in the 4th place is the Big Fudge Vinyl Record Cleaner. Next up on our list is the Big Fudge Vinyl Record Cleaner. Featuring a straightforward mechanism, this is one of the most affordable units on the market. Complete with dual washing brushes and a cleaning kit, this record cleaner can make your vinyl discs as good as new. Similar to the Spin Clean Vinyl Cleaner, this unit also has adjustable rollers to accommodate 33, 45, and 78 records. Furthermore, the twin washing brushes are made from a soft microfiber that exerts just the right amount of pressure for a scratch-free cleaning session. Only a few spins in both directions are enough to get a nice and smooth shine. The kit contains 2 150 ml cleaning fluid bottles to take care of up to 50 records in a single cycle. On this note, we should mention that you need 3 capfuls to be diluted with distilled water for the best results. We loved how the brand pays equal attention to the drying process as well. In addition to the pair of microfiber and all-purpose cleaning cloth, you will also get a drying rack that can hold 10 albums at once. Give the records a gentle rub with the microfiber towel and then pop them into the rack to get rid of any moisture. It's that simple. The 3rd product on our list is the Vinyl Vac 33. For the 3rd spot on our list, the Vinyl Vac 33 makes a deserving entry. Its distinct design comprises a vacuum wand that attaches to your standard wet-tree vacuum for deep cleaning grooves. Plus, the high-precision mechanism won't burn a hole in your pocket. First things first, the positive reviews from existing customers compelled us to try the cleaner. Thanks to the bottom coupling, we could easily attach the wand to the 1.25-inch hose of our wet-tree vacuum. In case you have a wider hose 1.5 inches, simply remove the coupling before use. Besides, the O-ring provides a taut fit between the wand and the hose. Also, the twin suction reducers allow you to control the amount of suction needed. To ensure precision cleaning, the extraction intake utilizes the vacuum's power to suck out gunk and debris from deep within the grooves. At the same time, the pair of soft velvet pads allows you to smoothly rotate the vinyl, while also protecting it from scratches. The process of cleaning is similar to that of playing the record. Clean the vinyl surface with your favorite cleaner before placing it on the turntable or Lazy Susan. Once in place, and with the vacuum switched on, the wand will anchor the spindle as the vinyl is spun manually to remove the gunk effectively. Complete with a felt washer, the Vinyl Vac 33 performs at par with some of the premium vacuum record cleaners on the market. Second on our list is the iSonic P for the 875 Roman 2 Plus MVR10. Halfway through the list, it's time for us to talk about the automatic record cleaners. As such, the iSonic P40 875 Roman 2 Plus MVR10 motorized cleaner is the fourth pick of the day. The features on this one complement its ultrasonic power to deliver pro cleaning within less time. Ultrasonic technology has earned a name in vinyl cleaning, and iSonic brings this technology to the right use through this unit. Firstly, the detachable motorized fixture is designed to hold 5 or 10 records 10 and 12 inches at a time. Moreover, it can be mounted on top, either from the left or right side, as per the user's convenience. The unit is equipped with 3 industrial-grade ultrasonic stack transducers that account for its superior cleaning power. Each transducer is controlled by an individually dedicated PCB to deliver optimum power. Furthermore, the heating feature can be used to raise the temperature of the solution to anywhere between 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. A word of caution: heat the fluid before mounting the records on the unit, so that the process becomes fully automated. The timer can be used to preset cleaning cycles of 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25 minutes. In addition, the included hose makes it easy to drain the water after every session. Pretty effortless, we say. Lastly, the kit contains one 8-oz bottle of cleaning fluid and a box of lab-grade Kim wipes to quickly dry the records after cleaning. If premium pricing isn't an issue, then this ultrasonic cleaner is worth considering. We felt that the lower range of the heater, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, was still too high for our valuable vinyl discs. Hence, we had to keep a constant eye on the thermometer to switch it off at the 90-95 degrees Fahrenheit range. Also, the liquid cleaner is not as effective as the others. Finally, the top product on our list is the Pro-Ject vinyl cleaner. Another one of our automatic favorites. The Pro-Ject VCS is a heavy-duty vacuum vinyl cleaning machine that sports a simple yet effective design. Built for wet cleaning, this one will get your job done in as little as 2 rotations. Plus, its minimum assembly requirements won't make you break a sweat. Although Pro-Ject is a fairly new player in the industry, it has undoubtedly made a mark with this vacuum record cleaner. At the helm of affairs is its robust metal arm that secures the record without causing any damage to the surface. Moreover, the small platter reduces the risk of contaminating the flip side. Coming to its operation, the cleaning process doesn't require a lot of effort. For starters, we place the record and tighten the aluminum clamp before coating it with the diluted cleaning fluid. On that note, the related kit comes with a goat hair brush for the purpose. The motor switch can be used to rotate the vinyl in both directions, one by one. For best results, it's advisable to leave the solution for a minute to dissolve the dirt particles. Finally, we engage the vacuum while spinning the record twice in each direction. If you ask us, the premium pricing stands justified with the Pro-Ject VCS. We were satisfied with how it cleaned both the new and old albums of our collection. Despite praising it for its efficiency, we'd have liked some improvement in its design. The solid wood construction of the spinner box is strangely susceptible to dents, compromising its durability. Also, the vacuum operation is significantly noisy, but nothing that hammers the eardrums. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.